Hey guys, Akil Stokes here. Welcome back to a quick trading vid. Today I want to share with you a cool trading opportunity that we looked at in our live trading room this morning, where we had two classic pattern formations, a head and shoulders and a flag pattern, complete at the exact same location and offer the exact same entry. So I thought that was pretty cool stuff. Oh, and this thing right here, I'll tell you a little bit more about that at the end of the video. Yeah, a flag pattern right here, right? And again, the weird thing about flags is I draw these lines out just to determine a range. We always have this debate over, like, if you're a strict trend line trader, like, then how do you draw this out? Because I think this is the natural flow you would draw it out. But if you're rules based and about connecting the dots and you have this, which is a little bit different, then you already had a violation here and then you had a retest there. I'll leave that to you guys who trade trend lines. But if you require, so on the 15-minute chart, so let's look at this from a day trading perspective and dig deeper into this. On the 15-minute chart, we know that we broke and closed above our level of structure. Now, we do have a little higher level of structure, which we can take into account. So let's just draw that in. But on a 15-minute chart, we broke and closed above a level of structure. Would you guys agree? I think 100 out of 100 traders would agree. So if we're doing our IPD on this, right, we identified a higher high, higher close. Therefore, our prediction is that price is likely to go in which direction? Higher, right? I think we can all agree on that. Now, we take a look at Hannah's flag pattern. This is a what type of flag? Bull flag, bear flag, squid flag? This is a bullish flag, right? So we have a bullish flag, or we have an overall bullish prediction, big, and then we have a bullish trading signal within that prediction, right? So Hannah, you got everything lining up in the same direction. This is positive. Now, the one thing you want to be concerned about maybe is where are you expecting the flag to go to? Again, this higher green line is a next level of structure here, which is kind of right in this level right there. But there is still room to go higher. So now the next question is, okay, well, how do we want to attack this, right? And we know as flag traders, there's two ways to trade it, or, well, two main things you want to pay attention to. One, you can trade the break of the flag trend line, which are the slanted white lines, or you can trade the break, the violation of the top of the flag pole. So if you have your flag drawn like this, right? If you had it like this, you already had your break, right? You have it drawn like that, you've got your break now. So now the question is, okay, well, what do we need to get involved, guys? What else can we do? What do we need to wait for? You can go lower time frame, you can look for another pullback trade, right? We broke and closed above, maybe we come back to this level as well. Right? That looks like a nice level for a pullback, right? Price action steadied out right around here. If we look back to the left, we did the same thing here as well. I think that's a great level to look for. This is one where maybe the range bar chart comes into play as well, right? This is a 5-minute chart. Let's go down to an 8 range bar chart. Beast. I want to set it so I just enter beast and pound yen comes up. Let's go down to an 8 range, which is going to be the equivalent of a 5-minute chart and a range bar chart. And maybe we get a slightly different look. Is this pound? Yeah, we don't. This is not giving us a better look at all. So range bar charts aren't helping. But yeah, I think that's a good approach. See if we can push back or pull back, excuse me, into this level, into this zone right here. Probably a 3D2 fib in there as well. And then see if you can get an entry reason for your move higher. Here we go. And then let's talk about just the head and shoulders real quick. So head and shoulders is going to be pretty much an identical situation. I'm trying to get this the right way. To the flag, we know we've got left shoulder, neck, head, neck, right shoulder, right? Now, two ways to trade a head and shoulders, right? Same thing. One, you can trade the violation of our neckline, which occurred right here. So if this is the case, right, you'd be looking for the exact same thing as the flag pattern. What a quinky-dink, right? Or if you're trading a horizontal neckline, then you need a violation of this level right here, with the anticipation that price is going to either continue to retest the highs here or extend higher. So the head and shoulders pattern is going to be pretty much exactly in the same context as the flag pattern, if you're trading the slanted trend line break, which just reiterates the fact that all of this stuff we trade falls under 3 categories, and a lot of them are the same. They just come in different ways. That's all it is. It's 3 flavors of ice cream. They just come in different cones and cups and scoop sizes, and some have sprinkles and some have, other things, jelly beans, I don't know. Hey, before you click off, if you've been watching these videos and thinking, all right, I really actually want to take this thing seriously, then this is going to be for you. We've got a live 3-day online trading workshop coming up. And honestly, this isn't just another webinar where we hype you up and then disappear forever. For the full 3 days, Jason and myself are going to dive deep into what actually makes someone successful in this trading business. And throughout those 9 hours, we're gonna break down how to think like a pro trader instead of guessing your way through the markets, how price action and structure really work. We're talking support, resistance, trends, patterns that actually matter, how to build and backtest a strategy, how to journal, remove doubt from your situation, how to manage risk properly, and well, a lot more about what's coming in the year of 2026 that you can take advantage of versus being shaken out like many others probably will. We also always throw in some cool gifts like templates and frameworks and different exercises that you could do. Oh yeah, and the replays are available if you can't make it live. Now, listen very clearly. We are keeping this event intentionally small. This is no gimmick. This is no fake scarcity. If you ever tried to register before, after the doors were shut, you've probably gotten that email saying, sorry, try next time. So this means once those seats are gone, this page comes down and that's it. So if you're serious about turning market chaos into trading opportunities, if you're ready to stop consuming and actually start developing a real skill, click the link below, grab your seat, and we'll see you inside.